Happy Tuesday.
Good morning.
All right. Hopefully everyone had a good Monday. Today is Tuesday, April 1 plus 2 parentheses 7. 3 times 7 or 21. It's also National Yellow Bat Day and Library Worker Day.
Shout out to Mrs. Blashak. Check out the library Google Classroom if you want to get on our library and check out some virtual books.
Get on it. All right. Looking at yesterday's activity, it was a Desmos activity. Some of you guys are still struggling a little bit with fractions, decimals, and percent conversions. I would recommend going on Khan Academy and reviewing some of those topics on conversions. Just a reminder, we can see what you guys are doing on Khan Academy. We can see what topics as well as how many minutes you are on. Okay, so if you have questions about that, let us know. All right, tomorrow or this morning's activity that you guys are going to be working on is another Desmos activity. Madam. Hi. All right. I don't know. I'll give it to you in a minute. All right.
You're good stuff.
So today's activity is another Desmos activity. So I'm going to share with you just one of the screens that you guys will be working on. All right, so it looks like this, and it says match the written expression, equation, and table that represent each proportional relationship. So what I would recommend doing, I would take all the written expressions, which are basically the stories, and maybe line them up at the top of your paper, and then read through each of these and see maybe which table it matches. So it says Noah ate X ounces of blueberries, Elena ate 1/3 less than that. So if Noah's X, Elena ate 1/3 less, which means this column should be less than that. So you know that's not true. 8 is more. 10, 9 is less. So it could be this one, it could be this one. So you sort of need to figure out which ones it is. So then maybe match all of your tables if you think these match. And then you should be matching an equation that matches as well. I'm not saying that these ones are right. So just a reminder, there should be an expression, a table, and an equation in each of your groups. No, I cannot. All right, the other thing that I want to show you, is a reminder how to find constant of proportionality in a table. If you have something like this, remember, to find your constant of proportionality, you should take your y divided by x. So 9 divided by 3 would be 3. 30 divided by 10 would be 3. Or x times 3 would give you y. So x times 3 would give you 3x. So your equation would be y equals 3x. So I did the same thing with this one. You would take the y column divided by x. So 2 divided by 5, 4 divided by 10. Or you could multiply it by 2/5. So your equation would be y equals 2/5 x. Okay, so that's just a quick reminder on how to find constant of proportionality using a table.
We're going to be working on constant of proportionality today and tomorrow. So if you are struggling, like Ms. Fajardo said in the beginning, you can jump on Khan Academy or look for or use some past resources for practice.
One last reminder is, remember, when you guys are doing reflections this week, they are a little bit different than last week. So you need to be reading the questions and actually answering them. And then you need to actually turn in your documents. Okay.
Hey.
So you guys are doing those activities. Remember, each day you get 2 grades, one for the required activity and one for the choice activity. But you need to be doing the reflections. Oh my gosh, my kids are crazy. All right, say hi.
Well, it looks like Mrs. Fajardo needs to get going because some girls there want her attention. But we will check in with you guys tomorrow. Good luck with your work today. And that's all.
All right. Bye, guys.